In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Etsy notifications. If your inbox and phone are getting overwhelmed, this walkthrough will help you tailor what Etsy sends so you only receive what truly matters. Start by opening a web browser and heading to Etsy's homepage. This process works best on desktop because all the settings are easy to see in one place. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click the profile icon. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in before you can continue. After the menu opens, choose Account Settings to enter the area where you can control what you're notified about. Inside Account Settings, find the Notifications section. It's usually listed in the left-hand menu. Click that to open all of Etsy's notification preferences, grouped by type. At the top, you'll see options for security alerts sent to your phone. These are typically text or SMS messages for things like unusual sign-ins or important account changes. Decide if you want to receive those by text. If you prefer fewer phone interruptions, you can turn them off here. Just remember, security alerts help you stay on top of account safety, so consider keeping them on or routing them to the channel you check most. Next, review your email notifications. These are transactional and activity-based messages, such as order updates, messages from other users, or reminders. Go through each toggle and turn off the ones you no longer need. If you already track orders in the app, for example, you might not want duplicate emails. Essential messages may still be sent when required to complete a purchase or maintain account security, but you can significantly reduce clutter by disabling the rest. Below that, look for email subscriptions. These are marketing and informational emails like newsletters, recommendations, and promotions. If your goal is a cleaner inbox, switch off any categories you don't find useful. You can always come back later and re-enable a subscription if you miss it. When you're done adjusting everything, make sure to click Save Settings. This step confirms your choices and applies them going forward. Give the page a moment to update, and you're all set. From now on, Etsy will only contact you through the channels and topics you kept enabled. A quick note, updating these preferences helps prevent future clutter. It doesn't delete past messages, but it will keep new notifications streamlined. If your needs change, revisit the notifications page anytime to fine-tune your settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused Etsy experience.